Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick BeReal app guide for beginners in 2022. So after you log in into your BeReal, you will see this screen right here. So here you can post a BeReal or you can add friends. Posting a BeReal is basically going to post BeReal. As you can see my keyboard right here. And once we click on, the photo button, then you will be able to post your keyboard in this way, and then you will be able to post your face as well. So in the upper corner it's the face, right? In the main kind of image or photo, it's basically the main camera that's looking forward, right? Or the back camera, and the left is the front camera. And then once you click post here, you can be able to send this to your friends, right? Or to Discovery. Discovery is basically making your BeReal public, or making your photo that you just took public. And then you can also share your position, which is basically your location. And then you can also save your BeReal to your device into your camera roll, right? Now we can just share this to friends. Let's share this with friends here, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. Now, how to add friends? You go to add friends. Here you can see your contacts that are already on BeReal, and then you can just click add, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also invite other contacts, or you can go to your friends, my friends, right? And you can see your friends. You can tap on your friend, you can go to three dots, you can remove friendship, you can copy profile URL, remove friendship, or report or block, right? And here you can also see that you're friends since a couple of days. You see that this friend joined BeReal in September 2022. So that's basically the basics of BeReal. Now if you go here to your profile, then you will be able to also edit your profile. Here you can add your profile icon, your full name, username, location. Then here you can see your memories, right? View all my memories. Here you can see all your memories. And then you can also go to three dots here, and here you have all the settings, which is pretty much awesome. If you want to contact BeReal support, you can click contact us, and then you can ask a question or report a problem here. And you can also delete your account this way as well. For other ways, you can also go to memories, deactivate or delete your memories as well. And that's pretty much it. You can also see block profiles, obviously, but other ways, other things here are not really relevant. But yeah, that's pretty much how to use a BeReal for beginners. If you're looking to learn how to use BeReal, this is how to use it. Now if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and I'll answer all of your questions. But yeah, this has been the BeReal app quick guide for beginners in 2022.